Crime scene on Mandela Highway caused delay for Friday afternoon commuters. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A section of the Mandela Highway was closed Friday afternoon as police processed the crime scene. The Jamaica Constabulary Force issued a statement via its official social media channel urging motorists to use alternative routes. This as the police were processing a murder scene on the eastbound lane at the exit of the Patterson Highway known as Highway 2000. The dead man up to the publication of this report remained unidentified. Reports are that shortly after 1 p.m. yesterday afternoon, the man was walking along the roadway when he was pounced upon by men traveling on motorcycle who opened fire, hitting him multiple times. He succumbed to his injuries on the scene. It's understood that the normal flow of traffic was returned to the area as the police were finished processing the crime scene. Links 007 TV will have a comprehensive report to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.